know who to start with. I'll go with this guy because they look a bit... I ate this yesterday.
You did actually.
Without the egg though.
The egg would have been
no,
better.
I want avocado on toast with egg.
You can't have it, unfortunately.
Okay, cool. So cute!
Show us the back. Is it just brown?
Yeah, there's nothing really there. I need to Google all the names because obviously they haven't got the tags on them. There you go, buddy. And then this is one that, because I'm such a lovely girlfriend, I'm going to gift to you, Callum.
Oh, thank you.
Look, he's fluffy where the burrito is.
Can I have him?
Yes, of course.
Yay. Little burrito.
This is the best burrito.
I don't normally like this shiny bit thing, but I think it looks good on the... No, it looks good on the burrito.
Okay. Ah, it's one of my wish list. Is a little cinnamon roll bunny thingy that I love her so much. Look at her little cheeks.
Chubby cheeks.
So cute.
But
I could eat her.
I mean, you could, but I feel like you'd have a lot of fluff in your stomach.
I actually ate some fluff then.
Yeah, maybe not.
Down we got some bubble tea. And she's got the little shiny bit, but it's a straw. It's so cute. What flavour of bubble tea was she doing? Blueberry?
It's kind of purple. Is blueberry purple?
No.
It's blue, isn't it?
I don't know then.
Raspberry.
Are raspberries purple?
They're more like pink, aren't they?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's probably out of context for the video.
I don't know. It's probably, I don't know. It's a weird ass flavour that they've created. And the last little baby. She's so pretty.
Show us the top. Sheesh.
Sheesh. The pink is so pretty.
Even though you're a vegetarian.
Yeah, but I keep eating it.
Yeah, maybe stop putting it in your mouth.
Yeah. I like the little wink. She's wet now. I like the little winky faces.
To be fair.
Very cute. Very cute.
Is that it?
Yes, I love
Nothing
them.
in the box.
Empty. But there's more squishmail coming soon, baby.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, you can stop filming. Let me have her. So pretty. I've been waiting so long. Okay, let go of it. Still has a tag on. Emery. Oh, she's with the cinnamon bun and the cupcake. Oh. Emery is the queen of caffeine. She loves to have friends over for coffee so she can show off her barista skills. She loves to make fancy coffee concoctions with rose petals, lavender, and even gold tail. What can Emery make for you? Pumpkin spice latte, please, baby. She's so squishy.
It's weird you say that. It's almost like she's a squishmallow.
Okay. Oh my god. I'm freaking obsessed. Look at this little dude. He's the last of the squishmail that I'm waiting on at the moment. And oh my god, he's bigger than I thought. This is my first squishmail clip, and I've never actually like seen one in retail or anything. So I'm very happy I finally have Malcolm. Eee! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Me and Malcolm say goodbye. Oh my god, bitch, I have Malcolm. I'm gonna go cry to myself now and hold this little dude. Bye bye.